in the morning. Slept in a little bit. Last night we stopped here in Stratton, Tennessee. Yesterday's back up because of that accident on I-40. Just, you know, basically stole a couple hours from me yesterday, so I didn't make it as far as I wanted. I was hoping to be closer to Nashville. We still have 873 miles to our destination. So instead of sitting for the most of Sunday, we're going to be driving, you know, about half a Sunday. Got our 30-minute break done. Got a little food in the old belly. So now we're going to get back on the old road. Our next stop is going to be in Meadowview, Virginia. So you know, we're going to get to first get to Knoxville.
The entrance to the right on I-40 East. In 300 feet.
First, we're going to get ourselves to Knoxville. Through Knoxville, that'll dump us onto 81. Then that'll take us a little bit into Virginia. It is 4:40 in the afternoon. So we are stopping here at Meadowview, and this will be our rest stop for the night. It didn't go as far as I wanted to, but whatever. But there's some spaces in the back. Get ourselves a good old parking spot for the night, and then we will won't be able to do a 34, but you know, we're going to we're still going to be able to make our delivery without a problem. And this knucklehead, you know, the white line means where you stop. So get in, do our post trip, blah blah blah. We will be good for the night. Couple parking spots on the back row here. And just back her on in. Fully in between the lines, nice and straight. We're just going to move over just a tad bit here, make sure we're even. Alrighty. And a nice gentle bump on the curb. Alrighty. Yeah, do our our post trip. Alright. And we're gonna call that a day. Okay, here we are. Love Store, 613. Meadowview. We are in shower number 1. Everything was pretty decent. A little bit better cleaning on the floor. You can see there's stuff there, stuff back there. You got 1 towel, 1 floor mat, 1 washcloth. Get my shoes back on here. A little bit of breakage here. Fan's a little bit dirty, but not too bad. The shower head was just at the right height. 6 foot, 6'1", just about. Pressure, volume, temperature are always nice, always really steady. One little bit at the end after about 7-8 minutes where it got just a tad bit warmer, then cooled off again. You know, but other than that, very good shower. Toilet was nice and clean. Like I said, the only real thing is the floor, the little broken thing there, and then a little bit of the fan needs to be cleaned off. But other than that, not too bad. I'm going to give this one a good to very good. If they had just, you know, if this were, if the fan was clean and this was clean and a little bit better on the floor, they would get an excellent. It would be an excellent review, not just a good to very good. All right, so do as I always do, leave a business card there so that they know that they're being watched. All right. So back out to the truck. And time to settle down for the evening. Thank you, ma'am. All right. All right. See, that's a nice sight to me right there. 3 nice old KWs right next to each other. Blue, purple, and red. All looking kick-ass.